Hawaii Kai, which translates to Community by the Sea, is one of the most desirable and wealthiest neighborhoods on Oahu. Hawaii Kai offers surfing beaches, gentle winds for sailing, and crystal clear waters perfect for snorkeling and diving. Hawaii Kai is home to one of the most stunning nature reserves on the island, Hanauma Bay. Before entering this paradise, visitors must go in Hanauma Bay's theater to see a 9-minute video about the rules and regulations of this place.
So the 9-minute safety video before everyone can enter, every single person that comes down to the beach must view it. It's mandatory, and it introduces the natural and cultural history of this place and kind of the context of the place that folks are visiting, and it focuses heavily on ocean safety as well, because a lot of visitors to this place may not have been in the ocean before, may not have snorkeled before, so it's also our responsibility to make sure folks can be safe here while also having a fun and awesome time.
Now that we've heard from safety instructors, let's see if visitors learned anything.
We learned about touching the coral, that we could harm the coral, and we could also be harmed by the coral.
It is safe to say that visitors are learning something. However, it is important to mention that 60% of coral reefs in Hawaii have declined in the past 40 years. Therefore, Hawaii banned the sale of sunscreens with oxybenzone and octinoxate by 2021. Since the implementation of these restrictions, Hanauma Bay has had drastic changes, and we're now able to see more fish species and corals have been kept safe. All in all, everyone's contributing to keep the beauty of this place alive.